Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I'm going to continue topic 10.4 types of wholesalers. Okay, remember this topic is about movement of the product from the manufacturer to the wholesaler to the retailer until to the end user or customer. And sometimes the the how to say the chain, there are a lot of chains, sometimes from the manufacturer straight to the customer. It depends on how the business work. Okay, now 10.4 is type of wholesalers, meaning that wholesalers have three types here. Okay, there are many types, but this book only cover three types. The first one is merchant wholesaler. Number two is commission merchants, agents and brokers. And number three is manufacturer sales branch and sales office. Thank you very much to our sister Nur Aiman Nadira binti Muhammad Ali for this gorgeous slides. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's check. Merchant wholesalers. If you pay attention to the previous slide of previous class, I mentioned to you there are two types of middlemen. The first one is the merchant middleman, and the second one is a functional middleman. Remember that? Okay, merchant middleman is same as merchant wholesaler. They are the middlemen. This is where they buy the product and then they keep the product and then they sell it to the customer. Okay, so that is a merchant wholesaler. Okay, let's check. There are three services of the merchant wholesaler. The first one is a full service wholesaler. You still remember the previous slide that I'm sharing to you that what are the roles of the wholesaler. Okay, now the merchant wholesaler play that role, meaning that full service wholesaler. They buy items, they sell items, they divide them, they transport them, they even finance the retailer, they are involved with the promotion activities, and they collect the market information. It means that the merchant wholesaler, full service wholesaler, do everything the wholesalers activities that we mentioned before. The second one is general merchandise wholesaler, meaning that okay, they are the middleman, but they sell almost everything. Okay, Sister Aiman put Patson here, but it is not right. Patson is not wholesaler. They are the retailer. Actually, if let's say you are not a retailer, you sometimes you don't know their existence because normally they have the warehouse. They don't have a shop. They have a warehouse, big item. So what they have is they have various kinds of goods. Okay, like from foods, cosmetics, clothes, furniture, and they sell them. There is a general merchandise. Sometimes the wholesaler only have one item. Okay, one item. Normally this wholesaler, I can give you like a pharmacy. Okay, a pharmacy. The pharmacy come from the manufacturer, maybe inside the country or outside the country, and then they keep it in one place. And then that wholesaler only sell the pharmacy items like medicines and all the equipments that relate to medication. Okay, but they are not the convenience store. No, they are not the store, because convenience store is the retailer, but they are providing, okay, they are providing the products or services to the convenience store. Okay, but they have a limited line. Remember product line? Limited line, not all. Like this one, they sell all. This one only limited. Like cosmetic, like I told you, the pharmacy. Okay, the second one. And the next one, specialty line wholesaler. This one, they have only certain product line. Okay, just few lines only. So like electrical goods, they sell bulbs, tubes, wire holders, and heaters. Oh, this one normally is Chinese shop. They sell this. They are selling at the wholesaler price. And the last one is limited service wholesaler. This is where they don't do all the service. Remember just now? Let me check. This is a full service. They do everything. But this is a limited service wholesaler, meaning that they have only few services. Okay, it can be like they cover the transportation cost, but they don't give the promotion or something like that. But they have a very limited service. Then you cannot expect that they can provide all the services to you. Of Leonardo da Vinci here. Learning never exhausts the mind. Is it? Oh, mashallah. Okay, now the next one. Commission merchants, agents, and not broken. It's broker. Okay, it's broker. Okay, now these three. Okay, these three are the middlemen. Okay, these three are the middlemen. Okay, now let's check the first one. Commission merchant. Okay, normally, okay, this commission merchant, they work for the manufacturer, meaning that they carry the merchandise and negotiates, okay, on behalf of the manufacturer. Okay, these three, remember, they all of them are the middlemen. But commission merchant, they are representative of the manufacturer. Okay, they carry the product, they become very, very, very loyal. Okay, and the second one is agent. Okay, agents, they are the middlemen who make the exchange faster. Okay, who make the exchange faster. Okay, now this agent, they will make sure the buying and the selling part will happen very quickly. Okay, and they are hired permanently. Okay, they are the represent of the producer. Okay, of course the agent, maybe they have the small salary, basic salary, but normally the agent will have a lot of commission as well. Okay, commission as well. And the last one, the last one is broker. If you go to kampung, people always say, oh, broker tanah, or broker rumah, you know, or kebun, something like that. Actually, broker is when you are specialized in commodity. Okay, commodity. And then when you finish the transaction, when the broker is able, let's say house, okay, let's say the broker able to sell the house, the contract between the broker and the manufacturer or the owner of the house done. So meaning that the broker can be the representative of many manufacturer. Okay, so of course they are hired temporary and they are all earning the commission. Okay, so that is a commission merchant, agent, and broker. Okay, now let's check manufacturer sales branch and sales office. Okay, now let me ask you. Okay, you know Tupperware item, right? And I know that many Tupperware or Avon, Tupperware, Avon. What else? The catalog items, huh? So now, if let's say your mother is an agent, okay, your mother like a very professional Tupperware distributor or agent. Okay, now you need to imagine, yeah, wherever she work, doesn't matter whether at home or at office. Maybe she work from her kitchen. Okay, maybe she work from her kitchen. Okay, so that can be her office. Okay, that can be her office. And then when there is order, okay, when there is order, she will get the items from the branch. Am I right? She will get the items from the branch. Okay, you have to close your eyes and then remember. Okay, and remember that about the what about the agent of Tupperware or Avon. Okay, now let's check the definition. Okay, let's check the definition. Sales branch carry inventory, extend credit, deliver goods, help in promote products. Customers are retailers, other wholesalers. Okay, now this one. Okay, let's check manufacturer's sales office. Essentially, a sales agent owned by a manufacturer sell goods manufactured by their own firm, also sell their products from others to complement their own product line. Meaning that if let's say your mother is an expert or professional Avon agent, no matter where is her office, that will be the manufacturer sales office. But whenever she get the product from the branch in order to fulfill the demand of her customer, she will go to the sales branch. You have to remember that. Don't get confused because of that. Okay, so now I think we have finished this chapter. Thank you very much for listening. Okay, Assalamualaikum.